Hey guys, let's see how to reset this Tapo camera. This is the Tapo C320WS. There are different ways to reset the camera. There's a reset button just right here, or you can also reset using your cell phone, okay? So different ways. Let me just show you here first how you can reset using the cell phone so you don't need to reach the camera. You just need to use your Tapo app and find your camera. Here I have mine. Then you just get into the camera and go here to the settings. And then you just go all the way down and you see the option here to remove the camera. Okay? As long as you click here, you're gonna see the message to remove the camera. You just tap on it, remove, and the camera is reset, right? There's no indication here on reset. There's just this remove button, but it resets your Tapo camera, okay? So super simple, you can do this way, or if it's not resetting, or if you don't have access to the app, the camera is not added to the app, you can just come here and reset by using the reset button, okay? So here you just need to open this port here. You see there are two screws and the reset information. Just open here using a screwdriver, and you're gonna find the reset button that you need to press and hold for some time, okay? It's super simple. You're gonna hear a message that the camera is reset. There we go. You see here, there is a reset button just right here. You just need to press and hold until you hear a message.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
Okay, after the message, you just let it go. And you're gonna see also the LED flashing here during the reset process. And now you just need to wait for the camera to boot up, and it's going to start flashing here red and green. When it flashes red and green, the camera is ready for the setup again. You see, it's flashing right now, red and green, and it's ready for the setup. Okay, super simple. Then to set up the camera, just come back to the app and you add the camera again. You see here that you just need to ignore the camera that you have here because you just reset it and it disappears from here as well, see? And then you just come here to the plus signal and add a new device, okay? And you just look for your camera again. In this case, the Tapo C320WS. Wireless, that's the way I'm connecting to the camera. Hit next, already red and green. And here you just need to find the signal from the camera, okay? Go to your Wi-Fi, look here for the camera. And if it's not here, just refresh and wait until you see it. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to see the camera available here. There we go, Tapo Cam. So I just select this one, wait for it to become blue. Then I come back here to the app. There we go. It's looking for the Tapo device, found it, and now it's connecting. If you see this message, you just need to rescan, and remember that you need to connect the camera to the 2.4 gigahertz network, right? So I just rescan here. Now it's going to find my router. There we go, that's my router. I need to connect to the router. So the cell phone is going to give this information to the camera, okay? There we go, so my Wi-Fi and my password, the camera is going to receive this information, and then the camera can connect to the router by itself later. I just hit next, confirm.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
There we go, here just need to name your device, hit next, select a location, next again, select an icon. There we go. Alexa could also find my camera here. I just hit next to continue. And it's ready to go, okay? Let me just position the camera here so we can see better. There we go. And here sounds good. I just dismissed this, the free trial for the cloud. I don't want to use it right now. And I can just connect to my hub if I want to save the videos there. Maybe later for the hub. And I just need to insert an SD card, format the SD card, and start using it. Okay, super simple. As long as you have the SD card, you're good to go. There we go, the camera is back here. Let me just tap on it, and you see that's working live, right? So the camera back there working, and we're good to go. Okay, now audio is also working. Let me just put the volume down, and you're good. So I hope this helps. That's the way you can reset a Tapo C320WS. Just leave your thumbs up here. Also leave your comments and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.